Good morning, it's me again guys, Devin here with another Coleman Power Sports how-to video, and today is going to be the very first of 2026 to be exact. In front of me I have the AGM version of our RACKA golf cart. To the right I have the lithium powered version of our RACKA golf cart. What I'm going to show you today is how to replace the gear switch. This same process is going to be the exact same for either unit, so if you'll follow me, let's get it started. Okay guys, in order to get this job taken care of, you're going to need one tool. All that is a flathead screwdriver. Simple and easy, huh? So if you take a look right here on the wall, right up under your front seat is going to be your gear switch. Same thing on your lithium cart. All you're going to need to do is get that flathead screwdriver right under the plastic of where your gear switch is at, as mine is, you see? Pull it up on both sides, and we don't damage anything. And as you see, it comes right up. That simple, guys. Take this right side clip, pull it back, and pull up the gear switch. Come on, there you are. You are ready then to replace it with the new one. Make sure you put your prongs back in the right setting, the right seats. As you can see on the right side is going to be prongs going all the way down. So place it in, clip it in just like such. Push it down. Voila, magic. That simple, guys. Come over to your lithium version. Same simplicity. Right up under the plastic, pry it up, and there we are. Same thing. Pull it up. Perfect. Nice and easy, guys, right? Tearing up my gloves, but you know, that's fine. You can get some more gloves. Make sure you push it back down and push your gear switch back down until it pops in place. As such, make sure it works. Right now it's in drive. There's neutral, and there's reverse. This job is that simple, guys. I hope you find this message well. Thank you for having me. You have a good one. See you next time. Bye-bye.